Good morning. Today we will discuss about the topic amalgamation, the meanings, types, and what is the procedure. Those details we will discuss now. So first of all, the meaning of amalgamation. When amalgamation itself is a combination of two or more companies. When two existing companies or two or more existing companies they agreed themselves to merge together and form a new company in the new entity is what is known as amalgamation. So when two existing companies merge together, what all the advantages will be? First advantage will be like it will increase their research and development facilities. See, when two companies already they are leading in the market, when they merge together, obviously their assets, their facility will get merged, so that it will make them better and to work better in the organization and form some innovative processes and all. And the second thing is their competition will get eradicated between them. When two companies will be in the leading in the market, so there will be some competition among them, right? So when they get merged together, their competition will get eradicated, so that it will make the stability over their prices. When such good companionship is maintained among themselves, so when they work together, their advantages and disadvantages will be there, so they will discuss about that and they will form a new company with the new formula, with the all innovative processes will be there, so that will help them to make their prices stability, and also it make them to reduce their operating cost, so that will increase their profit as well. So these are the advantages of those two companies when merged together. Okay, then next one is what are the two types of companies involved in the process of amalgamation is uh, first one is transferor and another one is transferee company. So transferor means we can simply say it is old company. So when two companies merge together, I am saying as an example, when two companies merge together, those two companies will be treated as transferor company, because they will not be existing in the market, and they're going to be liquidated, they're going to be merged and form the new company, so that they will be treated as transferor company. And the one which going to be formed, the one new company which going to be formed is what is known as transferee company. So here is the definition for that. Transferor company, the company which is amalgamated and with into another company which going to be a new company. So the old company will be treated as transferor company, and transferee means company in which the transferor is getting amalgamated. So that is what transferee company. So next one is procedure for amalgamation. The following is the procedure in an amalgamation. First one is the term of amalgamation are finalized by the board of directors of the constitute of the company. So when those two companies, because they are already existing in the market and they are already running their business, right? So when they get merged together, their directors should get some opinion about that. They should finalize about the amalgamation. So the scheme of amalgamation is prepared and submitted for the approval to the respective high court. So what are all their terms and conditions, why they are forming, why they are merging together, after merging what is their composition, so those details will be prepared and that will be sent for the respective higher court. Next one is approval of the shareholders of the constituent company is obtained. So third one is approval of the shareholders of the constituent company is obtained. So that should get approval both from the directors, as they have to decide. Then they should get approval from the High Court, and then they have to get the approval from the from their own shareholders, because they are the ultimate investors of the company. They should approve their merger things and all. Next one is approval of SEBI is obtained, should get obtained, and the new company is formed, and that issue of shares to the shareholders, that should be happened in the transferee company. So the transferor, the shareholders of the transferor company should get the preferences in the transferee company. That in that case, like, they should get the shares in the transferee company also. The transferor company is liquidated and all the assets are taken over by the transferee company. Those terms and conditions they should decide themselves. So these are the procedure for amalgamation. So next one is purchase consideration. So what is purchase consideration? Whenever we are buying something, we should pay something to the seller, right? So that is what the purchase consideration here. So when both companies merge together, they're gonna form a new company. That new company, what is the agreed amount which they're gonna pay for the existing company? That is what purchase consideration. Here is the definition for that. Purchase consideration is the agreed amount which transferee company, that is what the purchasing company or the new company, pays to the transferor company, that is to the old company, in exchange of the ownership of the transferor company. So the mode of such purchase consideration can be either in cash, shares, or any other assets as they